In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase limit on Google Pay. If you've ever run into messages about low transaction caps or balance restrictions, this walkthrough will help you raise what's possible while staying compliant and secure. Keep in mind that limits can vary by country, payment method, and your bank, but the process I'll show you covers the most common fixes. First, complete full identity verification in your Google Pay account settings. This is essential because regulators require verified information before higher balances and transfers are allowed. Open the app, go to your profile or settings, and look for identity or payments profile verification. Make sure your legal name, date of birth, and address exactly match your bank's records. You may be asked to provide a government issued ID or supporting details. Keep the app updated, follow the prompts carefully, and give it some time. Reviews can be quick, but sometimes take longer. Once verified, many default limits are lifted automatically. Next, ensure a valid bank account is linked and verified. Add your bank through the app and complete any one-time setup, such as confirming a micro deposit, entering an OTP, or setting a UPI PIN where applicable. If you've just linked a new account, try a small test payment to confirm everything's working. Incorrect account details, expired cards, or mismatched names can block higher transactions, so double check the basics. Your bank often sets the strictest caps, especially for UPI, per transaction, and daily totals. Contact your bank directly and request higher limits for digital payments, UPI, or card not present transactions. Many banks let you adjust these in their mobile app or online banking, but you can also call or visit a branch. Be ready to authenticate your account. Changes can be instant, but sometimes take up to 24 hours to apply. While you're at it, make sure your account is in good standing and that there are no fraud flags. If you're using Google Ads or Google Cloud, you can request a credit limit increase in the payment center of those products. This is separate from personal peer-to-peer or UPI limits. Look under billing or payments and submit a request with accurate business details. Approval typically depends on billing history and on-time payments. Finally, be aware that new users or users who just added a bank account or reset a UPI PIN may face a temporary 24-hour cooling period. If you hit a cap right after making changes, wait a day and try again rather than retrying repeatedly. Follow these steps and you'll maximize your available limits safely. If issues persist, check in-app help or contact support for your region. Thanks for watching and good luck.